Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to get rid of toenail fungus fast and naturally. Onychomycosis, commonly known as toenail fungus, is characterized by inflammation, pain and swelling of the toe, as well as yellowing, thickening and crumbling of the nail itself. Toenail fungus can be the result of abnormal pH of the skin, continuous exposure to moisture, wearing synthetic socks, compromised immune system, sweat buildup in shoes, poor foot hygiene, or weak circulation such as that caused by diabetes. People tend to be embarrassed by a case of toenail fungus, but today I will share with you 6 natural and easy ways to treat toenail infections at home. So stay tuned and be with me till the end. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil fights germs and fungi, which helps treat toenail fungus. It is also used to treat other kinds of skin infections. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to put the mixture on your toe. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then use a toothbrush to lightly scrub the nail. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until the nail is healed. Garlic. Garlic has allicin and agony, which can kill fungi and treat toenail fungus. Mix garlic oil with an even amount of white vinegar. Put the mixture on and around your toenail and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours and then take the bandage off. Do this every day until it heals. Note: if you don't have garlic oil, you can make your own. Fry 2 crushed garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then strain the oil. Apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acid, it can help block toenail fungus from spreading. At the same time, it kills bacteria and fungi. Mix the same amounts of apple cider vinegar and water. Soak your toenail in the mixture for 30 minutes a day. When you are done, dry your toenail very well. If you do this every day for a few weeks, it will help you very quickly. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another alternative for natural treatment of a fungal infection when it affects the toenails. Apply coconut oil directly to the affected toenails. Do this twice a day and do not wash the oil off afterwards. Coconut oil can also be used to treat cracked skin, dry patches and blisters if you are affected by athlete's foot. Again, apply directly to the spots that are an issue. Baking soda. Baking soda can be found in most kitchens and can also treat toenail fungus. It can help block feet from smelling too. Add a half cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and a half cup of Epsom salt to 4 cups of hot water. Mix the ingredients very well and then add a quarter cup of white vinegar to it. Soak the toenail in this mixture for about 10 minutes. Wash your foot with clean water and dry it very well. Do this twice a day for a few weeks. You can try putting baking soda inside your socks and shoes to soak up moisture. White vinegar. White vinegar is a great way to cure toenail fungus because it fights the infection and helps fix the skin's acid level. Mix 1 part of white vinegar with 2 parts of warm water. Soak the toenail in the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your foot off and dry it well. Do this 2 times a day until the fungus is gone. Note: if this hurts your skin, add more water to the mixture and soak your foot in it every other day instead of every day. People who exercise a lot or spend a lot of time in socks, like day laborers who work long hours, are prone to conditions like athlete's foot and fungal infections of the toenail. Having these natural things on hand make it much easier to treat the condition on your own and go back to having feet that are healthy and not uncomfortable. Try out any one of these treatments and see the difference in your condition. It is best to not try to mix these treatments, but instead focus on one and see the success in a few weeks. Try out these remedies at home and share your experience in the comments section below to help others learn that which remedy had worked for you the best. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.